Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie1. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to try out a 5 minutes craft recipe and see how it turns out in real life. So this recipe is this delicious looking fish shaped baked recipe. So as you can see, it looks really delicious. It is baked filled with cheese, but they haven't shown anything about the dough. So let's see how we can make this. All we can see is the dough is cut in fish shape and they have used stripes of dough to make the fish bones. Then they have used fish meat to fill the gaps between the bones. Now after baking, it looks really delicious and appetizing. Now let's try to make this recipe and see how it turns out. So let's get started. So as they have not told anything about the dough, so here I am making a dough that is used in pizzas. So I have given the ingredient list on the screen. So if you want to make this recipe, you can follow that. These are the same ingredients that I used to make the dough of a pizza. So here I am using these ingredients because I want to make a pizza based dough. As they haven't shown anything about the dough, we can make the dough of our own choice. So let's mix all the ingredients and make the dough. Now after mixing, add water gradually to make the dough. This is going to be very interesting because we don't know how the recipe is going to turn out. So watch till the end to find out, and if you like the video, then please subscribe to Foodie1 for more such fun and interesting videos. Now our dough is ready, so you can keep this for 15 minutes to rest, or you can use this instantly. Now I'm taking the dough in both the hands to make an even ball so that it is easy to roll out. So now our ball is ready. So now let's roll it out. Here I am dividing the dough into two parts, one for making the base of the body of the fish and second for making the bones. First let's make the fish shaped base. So for that we are going to roll out the dough in an elongated form and not in a circular form, as the base that we saw in the recipe was elongated and not round. So as you can see, it is completed now. We have made it in an elongated shape. The thickness is also more or less even from all sides. So now let's cut a fish shape that will serve as a base. So here I am using a knife to cut out the shape as it is really convenient for me. So we have completed our cutting part and it somewhat looks exactly like what they have shown in the video. Now keep this fish base aside and let's make the bones part. So take the another part of the dough, roll it in the same way as we have done before, and this time we are going to roll this out in a more elongated way because we are going to make stripes to make the bone. So we have completed rolling it out. Now cut this into stripes. We have to cut it into 8 to 10 stripes to cover the whole body of the fish. This is how it looks after cutting. I have made thin stripes as they have shown in the video. So as they haven't shown anything in details about the base, so I'm going to make the base of my own choice. So first I'm going to oil the base with a brush. Then I'm applying this tomato sauce all over the base. Basically, I'm trying to make a pizza base because I'm not sure what base will suit this recipe. Now I'm adding these veggies onto the base. So first I'm adding these finely chopped onions, then finely chopped tomatoes and capsicum. Now let's top it with lots of cheese. Now you can add as much cheese as you want. It will make the dish more delicious. Now let's place the stripes over the base as they have shown in the video. So we will put all the stripes one by one as they have shown. I have added a clip, you can see in that. So this part is really tricky where we have to twist the stripes to make it in bone shape. So I'm just trying to follow this step and do exactly like what they have shown in the video. So this is not at all easy as the stripes are sticking among themselves and with the cheese. So it's really becoming difficult. But I'm trying my best to make it possible. So all we have to do is take a stripe, twist it and pass another stripe from the twisted part of the first stripe. And repeat the same process with all the stripes. So now we have finished making the middle part. Let's make the edges. So we have to roll the edges as they have shown and stick it on the edge of the base. In the same way, we are going to roll all the stripes and stick it to the base. Now instead of using meat of fish, I have used carrots to make the flesh between the bones. It looks somewhat same as that of fish meat. So we have almost completed the look, and on the top I am adding a tomato instead of cherry, and then we are going to brush it with oil as they have shown. So we have finished brushing it. Now let's sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes as we have given it a pizza flavor. So now it is completely ready to bake. As you can see, this looks more or less similar to that they have shown in the video. So now transfer the fish in a baking tray and now let's bake it. So after baking, it looks somewhat like this, and it looks really crispy and delicious in real life as well as it is shown in the video. Everything is cooked really well. So let me show you a closer view. So as you can see, it is really crispy and cooked really well. Now let's break it and see how it goes and how it tastes. So it's really cheesy and soft inside and it's cooked really well. Now let's taste it and see how it goes. So let me take this part, and as you can see, it is very easy to take it out. So now I'm going to taste it and tell how it has turned out. So as we have given it a pizza flavor, it tastes exactly like pizza but more crispier because of this bones shaped thing. So it tastes really well, and whatever taste you will give to this base, it will taste like that. I'm going to give this recipe a thumbs up and rate it 10 out of 10 as it has turned out exactly as they have shown in the video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more such fun and interesting and exciting videos. Press the like button if you really enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.